and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Debs. Now today I'm making some microwave meringues. They're made from two ingredients, an egg white and some icing sugar. You cook them in the microwave as the title suggests, and they are amazing, and they'll be perfect with our strawberry ice cream. So 300 grams of icing sugar. Makes a bit of a mess, but don't worry. And an egg white. Now, unfortunately, I actually managed to crack this before we put the camera on, so you didn't get to see how amazing I was at cracking eggs. But honestly, it's not too difficult. Or if you're really desperate, you can buy just egg white in the supermarket. Right, stick that in and just mix. Now, I have to admit, sharing this recipe with you is inspired by a friend who shared that she'd made these on Instagram. And we thought we just had to try them because my children love meringues. They discovered a while back when I made them. I'm going to get my fingers in. So once I've got this into a dough, I'm going to take small pieces and roll them into balls. And then you must remember not to cook more than 2 or 3 at a time, because otherwise there will be a microwave, not explosion, but definitely spreadage of meringues. Now every egg white is different, so you can always add a bit more icing sugar if you need to. Okay, so the dough's all come together. It's still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to stick a little bit more icing sugar out. My fingers are sticky still, but I didn't think it was worth cleaning them yet as I'm about to roll this out. So I'm just going to roll it in a sausage so that I can divide it a bit more evenly. Now, I can't swear what recipe it was, but I definitely remember making microwave meringues with my grandma when I was a little girl. So that was one of the reasons that I really wanted to give this a go. Okay. Right, I'm literally just going to stick that in the microwave for 1.5 minutes on high. As you can see, I remembered that I needed to put some greaseproof paper on the plate, just helps getting them off. And please be careful, because when you take them out of the oven, out of the microwave, sorry, they will be very hot and you could burn yourself. I hope you enjoy the meringues, and we'll see you again soon.